Happy Monday, sixth graders. We are in week 22. And this week, what we are going to be working on, if you open up our assignments document, is mostly finishing our placement and reading assessments from last week. These are great tools to give me a snapshot of what it is that you might be missing in your understanding of English, and it also tells me what your reading level and abilities are. These are really important things for me to know to be able to check how to teach you better and also to see how you grow over the year. So please do your best. I know that they are taking a really long time. They are supposed to. The first test will take you probably 30 to 40 minutes, and the second test will probably take you 20 to 30. You don't need to do them all at once. How do you know if you're done, though? For the first test, you'll know you're done because you will see a visual cue on the screen that says, "Great job, you finished the test." For the reading level assessment, you won't see something, but you will hear it. It will say, "Congratulations." So if you muted your computer, you might have missed that. If you're not sure, take a look at your grades. The way to do that is to go into our course and click the grades, and there you will see something that looks pretty much like this, although obviously different grades. I can't show you real people's grade books. But every time that you see an assignment over here, you'll see that there is a grade next to it. And if you have a grade, you finished both tests. If you have a 0 or a missing, that means you have either completed only one or you didn't complete the first one. After you see that you have a score, I will also put here in the comments your Lexile level. Now, a Lexile level is simply a number that is used to quantify a composite of your reading ability. And this is used to help us see, are you about where you should be for the sixth grade? And again, what I'm really looking for is, how can I support you the best? And are you growing throughout the school year? So don't worry if you're like, what does that number mean? We'll go over it together in class this week. The last thing that we're going to be doing this week is on Wednesday, we have live class. We are not going to do anything in class except testing and talking about our quote of the week, as always. And so if you do not finish this here, you need to do it all on your own. If you are already done, I will have an extra activity for you that is a little more not testy. And then on Friday during our live class, we are going to be reading and discussing Wonder. After that, we will have some homework, but the homework is due on before our next class on Wednesday. Okay, so this week is not a super stressful week. That means I expect everybody to finish all of the things I've assigned. And if you have not done the work from last week, please make sure that you finish that. There is zero excuse to be starting the semester with a bad grade and low effort. Those two assignments were an Edpuzzle and an exit ticket, which is a Google form, both of which should be very achievable for you. If you have any questions or you need any help at all, please email me or stop into live support today at 11:30 or Tuesday through Friday at 9 a.m. and 2:15 p.m. I will be in tutoring on Thursday mornings from now on, every other week. If you need anything again, reach out and I will see you guys in class on Wednesday. Have a great day.